Want to stay relevant in 2026? Forget about that expensive degree you were considering. You need AI skills. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the top 5 AI skills that will help you earn more, grow faster, and secure your place in the future job market. First up, skill number 1, AI prompt engineering. Look, AI is incredibly powerful, but it's only as good as the instructions you give it. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, companies are actively hiring people just to write better AI prompts. If you can master the art of asking AI to write killer content, code, emails, or marketing strategies with real precision, you'll immediately stand out from the crowd. Next, skill number 2, AI automation. Businesses are tired of paying people for boring, repetitive tasks. They're looking for automated workflows using amazing tools like Zapier, Make, and AI agents. If you can learn how to connect different apps and build systems that run on their own, you're not just an employee anymore. You become an indispensable asset. Skill number 3 is a game changer: AI content creation. Think about it. Faceless YouTube channels, realistic AI voiceovers, automatically edited reels and shorts. People are already making a full-time income using tools like CapCut AI, Pickle Labs, and Eleven Labs, often without ever showing their face. By 2026, brands will value speed and volume over fancy, high-production content. Moving on to skill number 4, AI data analysis. And no, you don't need to be a data scientist for this. These days, tools like ChatGPT and even Excel can analyze complex reports, summarize huge spreadsheets, and generate insightful charts in seconds. If you can take raw data and turn it into clear, actionable insights that help a business make better decisions, you will always be incredibly valuable. Finally, skill number 5, AI voice and avatar production. This is where it gets really futuristic. With tools like Hagen and Synthesia, you can clone your voice, instantly translate videos, and turn one piece of content into 10 different languages. Translation and dubbing are some of the fastest-growing services online. Imagine creating one video and reaching multiple markets for instant global reach. So, here's the bottom line for surviving and thriving in 2026. Stop trying to compete with AI. Start working with AI. Learn these 5 skills, and you'll never have to worry about being replaced. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe now because the future belongs to those who adapt early.